Hello, grade 4. How are you today? Now we take lesson 3, simplest form. I want to put the fraction in the simplest form. How we put it or how we do it? To put the fraction in the simplest form, find the common factor for numerator and denominator. Find the common factor between the number in the top and number in the bottom. If I have 6 tenths, 6 over 10. How I put this fraction in the simplest form, simplify this fraction, find the common factor for numerator and denominator, okay? How? Factor for 6, it will be 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. Factor for 10, it will be 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. The common factor between 6 and 10, it will be 2. So we can divide the number 6 and number 10 divided by 2. Okay, here 6 divided by 2 equals 3 and 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 3/5 is the simplest form for 6 tenths. We can find a simplest form for 3/5? No, because so no common factor between 3 and 5. Here, write the fraction in the simplest form, or here in the first number 1, write 8 over 10 in the simplest form. 8 over 10, we divide 8 and 10 divide by 2. The common factor between 8 and 10, it will be 2. 2 divide by 2, if I make divide by number, we should make it up and down, okay? Divide by 2 over 2. It will be 4 and divide by 2, it will be 5. Here 6 over 12. 6 and 12, the common factor for 6 and 12, it will be what? It will be 6, not 2. Here 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. 12, it will be 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. The common factor between 6 and 12, it will be 6. We divide by 6, it will be 1 over 2. 2 and 10, 2 over 10. The common factor between 2 and 10, it will be 2. It's very easy. We divide the fraction divided by 2 over 2. It will be 1 over 5, or fifths. 6 over 8. Find the common factor between 6 and 8, numerator and denominator. 6, 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. 8, 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. The common factor, it will be 2. So we divide the fraction divided by 2 over 2. Divide by 2 equals 3. Divide by 2 equals 4. It will be 3/4. Here 4, 6. The common factor between 4 and 6, it's very easy. It will be 2. Divide 4 by 2, give me 2, and 6 divided by 2, give me 3. It will be 2/3. Here 9 over 12. What is the common factor? 9, the factor for 9, 1 times 9, 3 times 3. And 12, 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. The common factor is, yes, 3. We divide numerator and denominator by 3. It will be 3 over 4. Here 4 and 8, it will be 4. It will be common factor 4. Divide by 4 equal 4. Divide by 4 equal 2. 10 over 12, it will be 2. The common factor 2. 5 over 6. 20 and 100. The common factor between 20 and 100 is 20. Okay? We divide by 20 over 20. It will be 1 over 5. Here, put the right till the fraction is in the simplest form. Write yes or no. This in the simplest form? No, is not simplest form. The simplest form here 1 over 4 or fourths. Here in the simplest form? No. Okay. If you can't make the or can bring the common factor, look to the numerator and denominator, and in which table 9 and 12, in which table? In table 3. 9 and 12 in table 3, we divide by 3 over 3. No, is not simplest form. Write the simplest form for 9 over 12, 3 quarter or 3 fourths. 5 6 in the simplest form, yes, in the simplest form is 5 6. 4 tenths, simplest form, no, the simplest form is 2 fifths. All of you open your book, lesson 3. Here, write the fraction in the simplest form. 6 over 8. 6 over 8. We can write it in the simplest form, in which table 6 and 8 in table 2, or common factor between 6 and 8 is 2. Divide by 2 equals 3, and divide by 2 equals 4. 5 over 5, divide by 5 over 5, give me 1. Or 5 over 5, 2 over 2, 3 over 3, 4 over 4, 6 over 6, give me 1. Any number over the same number, give me 1. Okay? 8 and 12. What is the common factor between 8 and 12? Is 4. Yes. Divide by 8 equal 4. Divide by 8 equals 3. Sorry, divide by 4. Sorry, divide by 4 equal 2. Divide by 4 equals 3. 100 over 100, the simplest form, it's very easy, is 1. 2 6. The common factor between 2 and 6 is 2. It will be third. Okay? 2 eighths. Here it will be divide by 2 equal 1, divide by 2 equal 4. 4 and tenths, it will be 4 over tenths, divide by 2 equal 2, divide by 2 equal 5. Here write equal or not equal. 6 over 12 equal 1 over 12? No, is not equal. 6 over 12, 6 over 12 is bigger than, not equal. Sorry, is not equal. Here 6 is bigger than 1. 3 fourths and 5 6 equal? No, is not equal. Not equal. Here 6 over 10 and 3 fifths equal or not equal. If divide by 2 it will be 3, divide by 2 it will be 5, yes, or equal. We can use butterfly. 5 times 6 it will be 30, and 10 times 3 it will be 30. Here 3 over 12 equals third. If I divide by 3 equal 1, and divide by 3 equal 4, not equal. Okay. Here 9 of the 12 babies born on Tuesday were boy. In the simplest form, what the fraction of baby? Here 9 of 12 baby, it will be 9 over 12. Divide by the common factor between 9 and 12, it will be 3. Divide by 3 equals 3. Divide by 3 equals 4. And here Christina used a ruler to measure the length of her math textbook. She said that the book is 4 over 10 meter long. Okay? Is her measurement in the simplest form? If not, what is the length of the book in the simplest form? Here, 4 over 10 in the simplest form, No, no is not a simplest form. What is the simplest form? It will be 2 over 5. Divide by 2 equal 2. Divide 10 divide by 2 equal 5.